I am Rajashree. Today I am going to discuss about communicable disease. At first, we all are known as what is disease. Definition of disease or disease. What is disease? It is defined as physical or mental well-being. It has several spectrum from mild cases to severe illness. Then we know about communicable disease. Communicable disease, it is defined as an illness of infectious nature which can spread from one person to another directly or indirectly through an infectious agent by through a media, or in other way, or simply a communicable disease is one that is spread from one person to another or from an animal to a person through a variety of ways. Then a communicable disease are spread or caused by a causative agent. Causative agent means biological pathogens like bacteria, virus, parasite, fungus, etc. Then mode of transmission. Mode of transmission are of two types: direct transmission and another indirect transmission. In direct transmission, direct contact, droplet infection, contact with soil, transplacental. In other way or indirect transmission, vehicle borne or airborne or fumite, these are the mode of transmission. Then the prevention. At first, prevention the germs and infectious disease from spreading. Handle and prepare food safety and wash the hands and cough and sneeze into your sleeves. Okay, don't share personal item and get vaccinated. Then types of communicable disease. There are mainly 5 types of communicable disease: respiratory infection, intestinal infection, arthropod-borne infection, surface infection, and sexual transmitted disease. It is also known as STD. In today, I will discuss respiratory infection. Respiratory infection, it is most common of acute illness. The agent for such infection include virus, bacteria, and other microorganisms. And inhalation is the commonest route of the infection in respiratory infection. First, we discuss about the disease chickenpox. Chickenpox, it is also called as communicable disease, and it is called as varicella. Is an acute infectious disease and it is a viral infection. Then the causative agent of chickenpox. Chickenpox is caused by treatable virus called varicella zoster. Then the mode of transmission, droplets by personal contact and fumites. Incubation period. What do you mean by incubation period? Incubation period is a latent period between the entry infectious agent into the body and onset of symptoms of disease. Okay. Then the sign and symptoms of chickenpox: fever, itching, and rashes. As children under 10 years and 1 week onwards. Then the prevention of chickenpox: isolation for 6 days after the onset of rash, and throat discharge, and a local antiseptic like chlorhexidine can be applied. Then the tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, it is an communicable disease and it is a chronic infectious disease. It is distributed throughout the world but in more common in developing country. Then the causative agent of tuberculosis, it is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mode of transmission, droplet by fomite, direct contact, and sputum. Incubation period depending upon the host, few months to few years. Okay. Then the sign and symptom: excessive fatigue, slight rise in temperature in the evening, and chest pain, night swelling, dryness of the body. Prevention of the tuberculosis disease: isolated the patient. At first, isolated the patient and a ventilated house. Milk should be consumed after proper boiling. Then the next disease is whooping cough. It is also known as communicable disease and it is also called pertussis. It is a highly infectious disease of respiratory tract in which trachea, bronchi and bronchioles are involved. The causative agent or the causative organism of whooping cough, it is caused by Bordetella pertussis. And mode of transmission, direct contact, droplets, fumites and incubation period is 7 to 14 days. Sign and symptoms, slight fever and cold, irritating cough, running of nose. Then the prevention. Prevention is isolated of the patient and DPT is given. Then the next is diphtheria. Diphtheria, it is an communicable disease and it is an acute infectious disease affecting the most commonly the throat, tonsil, larynx or nose. It may block entry of the air and cause difficulty in breathing. Then the causative organism of diphtheria, it is affected by the upper respiratory tract caused by the exotoxin of Corynebacterium diphtheria. Then the mode of transmission. Here the mode of transmission is droplets and fumites, personal contact. The incubation period 2 to 4 days. Okay. Then the sign and symptom, fever, patches of the tonsil and sore throat, difficulty in breathing and swelling in neck. Then the prevention of diphtheria. DPT, it is must be given 6th, 10th and 14th month of the child and a booster dose is given 11 half of year at 5 where DT is given. Then the next is measles. Measles, it is an communicable disease and it is one of the commonest of infectious disease of children up to 6 years of age. The causative agent of measles are caused by RNA virus of Paramyxovirus growths commonly called rubella virus. Then the mode of transmission of measles, direct contact by droplets, by sneezing or by talking. Then the incubation period is 10 to 14 days and sign and symptom, high fever, sneezing, running of nose, watery and red eyes, cough. Then the prevention of measles, isolated the patient as soon as possible, protect the eye of the patient from light and glare. A single dose of 9 to 12 month in 0.5 ml affairs in 95% protection. Then the last one is influenza. Influenza, it is an communicable disease, we all know, and it is an acute highly communicable disease of the upper respiratory tract. In short form, it is also known as flu or influenza tends to spread very rapidly. Influenza in the influenza disease, the causative organism is favorable influenza virus and the mode of transmission by direct contact by through droplets and fumites. Incubation period is 1 to 2 days or 6 to 8 months. And the sign and symptoms, sudden onset of fever, chill, headache, pain in limbs and sore throat and cough. Then the prevention of influenza, isolated of the patient, avoid meeting people for 1 week and avoid going to overcrowded place. Face masks would be used. So thank you. These are the totally respiratory infections. Thank you.